In this video, we have breakfast with some monkeys and head to St. Lucia Wetlands area, a UNESCO World Heritage Site with Africa's most dangerous animal, but Africa's cutest animal. Join us. Hi, little cheeky monkey. Oh, he turned his back to us. Hi all, it's V. Welcome back to Richards Bay. This is our second time at this port, and this time we are going to the St. Lucia Wetlands area. But before the wetlands, we had visitors while we had breakfast. We could see these cheeky little monkeys running around the port looking for any food they could find. Then we got on the bus and headed to the wetlands. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and it has crocodiles and hippopotamuses. Now, spoiler alert, our guide said there was a crocodile, but no one actually saw it. So there's not any crocodile footage, but there's some darn cute hippo footage. I have been in love with hippos forever. So is my sister. So it was a thrill to be able to see them in the wild. And we even see babies. They are so cute. Hope you all enjoy it. Thanks so much for watching.
Always food. If the river is coming in, they go and wait in the river mouth to catch the fish. And the hippos is easy to find because they live in the boat. Flap their wings like singing and dance for the females to come, and the females will come to look at the building. When she's busy looking at the house, the male must wait outside, wait for the results. If she's happy with the building, the main predators for this bird are the harrier hawks. Harrier hawks, mind your head.
The nest, swallow nest. Oh, there he is. Hippo.
See the big one on the right here? That is the main man, the dominant male of this family.
Look at those ears. Hippo ears. There he goes.
Hippos are spending the day to graze. Before sunrise, they'll come back in the water. You find them almost in the same spot every day. Hippos are territorial and they don't cross each other's territory. Eaten by crocodiles. Hippos are the one that they fertilize in the system. There's some young ones playing on the left there. The young ones playing.
Here we go.
Okay, try.
It's a palm that they make wine out of. Thanks so much for watching. I'm on an amazing adventure with cruises in South Africa and a world cruise that has ports in Europe, South America, Australia, New Zealand, and Asia. So click the Travels with V and Steve icon below to subscribe so you don't miss a video.